What up, y'all? So there's no, so we're gonna get serious. We're gonna get real for just a minute here. It's 11:30 at night. Just got back from the hospital. So baby B was born frankly a few days ago. Stopped breathing immediately upon birth, and nurses, doctors did an amazing job. Resuscitated the baby, got him going again, and after some time, some stress, tough moments, determined that he has a heart issue that will require some surgery. So we've been spending our days in the hospital and some nights as well, trying to rest up as much for us and the baby as we can until surgery, which is coming soon. The hope is that he only needs one surgery, and then we'll be good for the rest of his life. But with this stuff, you never know. I tell you this not for pity, not for sympathy, but I know some of you are genuinely curious how baby B, how that went and how he's doing. Mama's doing great. But that is the update. Baby B is here. He is a strong kid, cute somehow, mama, I guess. And we're kind of taking day by day. It's a bit of a roller coaster. Today was a great day. We had a great day with the kid, but we know there's going to be some tough days ahead, just like we've had already. And if you've gone through something like this before as well, nothing like seeing your kid heavily stuck in the hospital, cords, wires, tubes, sucks. So we got the whole village taking care of him. Kind of a rough way to start a video, but we do, I know it seems tough to go continue these dumb videos while this heavy life moment is going on, but sometimes you need that break. You need that normalcy in your life to help you get through this, to help you support your wife, your family, and then obviously baby B as well. So we're going to continue forward. We've got a test drive tomorrow morning, which should be nuts. We're going to do it fairly quickly because we got to get to the hospital after. We're still looking for the Z06 replacement, and I think it's going to be cool, and I can't wait for baby B to ride in his new ride. Sometimes in life you're going through a big fat number 2 and you just think, man, this is rough. And then you come out and you find a literal number 2 in your driveway. This is where you could lose perspective and lose your mind over the little things. The reality is, I got a baby boy, strong, healthy, gonna get fixed up here soon. We're gonna bring him home. That's what matters. My neighbors are great. I'm not gonna lose my cool. This is like a stray dog or a raccoon that must have got out. But obviously on a day like today with a lot going on, I'm not gonna lose my cool over it. Now we are going to take the budget to the next level. The Z06 is a $75,000, $80,000, $85,000 car. We're going to go into the 6 figures. That's right. How high into the 6 figures? I don't know. Today's car, today's test drive is a $200,000 plus vehicle. And spoiler, I'm pretty sure we're not going to go that high, but it's appropriate that we drive it, that we see what's up, and we give it a chance. All right, now we're arriving here at a place I've been to many times. It's the donut shop, one of the best donut shops. 4 Horsemen. Donuts galore. What's
Spill
up?
Everything.
The man, the legend.
How's it going?
Crushing it. What do you got to say? Something wise, something proud? We'll give him a chance to try again. Even though he may have a lack of words at the moment because I put him on the spot,
the work, man, this is killing it. This is super cool. You guys got 2 lights now. All right, so first off, we got to introduce Tyler. He's the man. He's the guy that's going to take us out today on in this test drive.
That's right.
But first, we're going to let him kind of show me the ropes before I get in and put it into. I'm not putting it into a wall. It's just a thing we say. I've never actually done that. So just to be clear, now, when I was here a couple days ago, the shop was stocked. You guys know I've filmed here before. It's usually loaded with cars. Today, man, they're shuffling so many cars through this place that today was an exit day. They got them all out. They're going to bring in some new cars. They had some super stock. One was purple.
Purple, made another black.
And it was sick. But they're selling it.
That's right.
So, if these test drives don't go well, I might just buy a purple super stock. I'm just saying, it was so cool. It had a stealth wrap on it. Oh man, I wish I could show you guys. Now, I think you guys could guess what car we're gonna test drive. That's right, the Gen 1. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna drive the ACR, baby. All right, so this thing, this beauty is for sale. $240,000. If you tell them that I sent you, they might knock off, you know, maybe $239. You're welcome. You want to start her up and take it out, and we're gonna hit the road. Like, we're not messing around today.
Let's do it.
We got to get to the hospital, so we're gonna film this. Go show Baby B, see what he thinks about this car, get his opinion, thumbs up, thumbs down. He can't really like say much more than that right now. It's just like a kind of a waggle and a cry. So we'll see if he likes it. This is so cool. Dang, carbon fiber wing. Look at that. America, baby. America. Baby B loves America. Let's hit it. Like I say, I don't think we can spend $240. I don't think I got that right now. But if I did have that, I don't know if I can fit. Obviously the Gen 2, I sold it because it was just too frustrating. The Z06, I sold it because it's too frustrating. I can't spend $240,000 on a car that I'm not going to fit in. But that's why we're doing the test drive, because if I fit, I may have to call some people. And the red stripe, this is nuts. All right, I'm gonna jump right in. We're gonna take this to my house. We're gonna rip it. The handle right there, which is kind of fun. If you can't tell, Tyler himself is a tall guy. What are you, 6'4"?
6'5".
6'5". Wow, I must be 6'7" then. I'm just kidding. So he's 6'5", he's driving. He seems pretty comfortable. Yeah. I mean, he has more hair than me, so that's obviously a non-issue for me. Let's see. Okay, we're just, oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. All right. If you go to jail, yeah, I'm not. Wow. Good morning. How many tickets do you have? Speeding tickets?
I've only got a couple.
Okay, okay.
Don't ask the owner of this car.
Have they been recent? Or do you have a gap? You want a gap between your tickets?
I've got a gap now.
Okay,
yeah,
you want a gap.
We're clean. That's right.
But you don't want to go to jail.
No.
Or into a wall.
No.
Obviously, the tech in this car way better than the Viper I had. The hard plastics of my Viper definitely upgraded. I've never been a passenger while he's been driving before, so. Okay. Put my helmet back on. So, if you're gonna get into a ridiculous, super sick race car, maybe do some laps with the driver in a Prius or something first, so you can kind of build that rapport, get to know his style. I wasn't ready. We're ready now, but I wasn't. All right, we made it to my house. I am gonna drive this car, right? You're gonna let me drive it still?
Yeah.
Okay, they're gonna let me drive it, but what is it like getting out? I will say, it's actually easier than the Z06. If I don't buy this, one of you better buy this and DM me, because this is incredible. Again, I didn't think this was gonna work, but man, it just went into the driveway smoothly. Now imagine, not Tyler, but imagine me getting out of that vehicle. I know I'm not as good looking, and I don't have any hair flowing in the wind like that, but if that were me, could that... Car shopping's fun. My Hellcat, by the way, my Hellcat, we have tires on order, and the wheels should be, they should be here. These tires, man, those are girthy. 355. My Hellcat tires are 345s. Dang it. Look at that. Oh man. Yep, it's going home. This is exactly how every man's garage should be. A Dodge Viper ACR and a real mower. Real, R-E-E-L, not R-E-A-L, although it is an R-E-A-L mower. and a real mower. It's a real mower that's a real mower. All right, my turn. You gonna let me drive?
Yep, that's right.
Okay. All right, Tyler. 6'5".
Yep.
Plus hair. I'm 6'6", bald. So in theory, if he can drive it, that should be okay. Okay. I'm gonna be honest. I thought this was gonna be worse than the Z06. It's I have more room. My knees are not in the dash, folks. This right here is called prime real estate. Plenty of room, pedals down there, pedal action. It's manual, obviously. I could do that. I can do that. This is a problem. It's also 105 degrees right now. The AC's not running. I'm sweating like crazy. All right, sorry, Tyler. Let's get the AC running. Oh, okay. All right. This is pretty cool. Manual, Viper, ACR. Don't kill it. Don't kill it. Don't kill it. Don't kill it.
Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
We're warming up to the situation. Visibility actually is better than I thought it'd be. Manual, I got the shifts. One of the questions is, could this car be kind of a daily driver? Would you daily drive this car? Like groceries, take it to class, things like that.
Nah,
work.
not really.
You wouldn't?
I don't know, yeah. I'd be tempted to drive too fast everywhere.
Okay, that's fair. We're taking it easy. We're not going, we got a car in front of us. All right, 6,500, 6,250 RPMs. I haven't gotten a speed ticket in a while. I can't go to jail. We gotta get to the hospital here in a minute. Downshift, baby. Okay, all right. Let's go. That's gel speed. That's gel. We're actually, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and just right here. I'm gonna pull over. I'm gonna put it in neutral. We're gonna put the e-brake on. I'm getting out. Wait. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out, Tyler. You're driving the rest of the way. I'm done. I'm gonna be honest, I was confident I wouldn't fit after the Gen 2. It was super tight, and other cars, I assumed there's no way.
Yeah.
It's pretty comfortable. Visibility's not bad. I could daily drive that car, but I'm not driving it the rest of the way because I don't think I have 240K.
Yeah.
I gotta go have some Folks, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I love the Viper, super cool. I was 100% confident I would not fit. Even with the 6'5" guy driving, I'm like, you know what? Because what do you weigh? You don't have to tell me. Anyways, I weigh a lot more than he does, and I'm just like, you know what? I'm not gonna fit. I did. I fit comfortably. It's so much better in the Gen 2, so much better in the Z06, and just nasty and fun to drive. This generation of Viper is now officially high up on the list. I forgot. In 30 minutes, I forgot how nuts of a driver you are. Oh, that was a power shift, baby. That was a power shift. Man. Whew. It's a dream car of mine. Obviously, I had the Gen 2, so this is a dream car. I've always wanted another Viper. I just assumed I'd never fit and wouldn't do it, but now it's going up high on the list. He is engaged, folks. Just to be clear, congrats, he's getting married here shortly. Also, shout out to 4 Horsemen for letting us take this out. Appreciate these guys. We are linking, obviously, the Viper listing below for sale. If I don't buy it first, got to talk to my bank. We're also going to link 4 Horsemen. They're doing a special right now on wraps that actually, if you want your car wrapped, they will discount you 5%. So we're going to link them below. Just mention my name to get the discount, right? I can get you 5% off the wraps. I don't know if I can get you 5% off the Viper. We'll see. Mention my name. Oh, you got something new? You got something now?
Nothing.
No?
Nothing yet.
No. His skill work though is top notch. Again, 5% off wraps. 4 Horsemen. Appreciate you guys. Good luck on your wedding.
Thank you.
Say yes.
Okay.
That's all you got to do.
I can remember that.
That's
My
it.
job's easy.
and hair gel. Hair gel. Don't drive the Viper then, because the hair messes up the hair. What you got?
Nothing.
Off camera, this guy all of a sudden, he's got plenty to say. He saw my Challenger outside. That's what he has to say. He's like, bro, is that really your Challenger? You need wheels. Yes, they're back ordered. We're working on it. We're super close. They are ordered. I paid a lot of money, thousands of dollars, thousands. Also, the GT350 Shelby, I'm bringing it here because we got to render, we got to wrap, we got to plan. We're gonna do something that I don't think you guys are gonna see coming. I'm super stoked for it. This guy don't got a lot to say as he walks away. See ya. What's your name?
Caden.
Caden?
Yep.
Caden. They're gonna do a sick wrap on my GT350.
Oh yeah.
This guy approves. We're excited. He's getting married. He's just happy about everything.
Yeah, that's right.
Appreciate it. Again, 4 Horsemen linked below. We're gonna get my dorky looking Challenger and drive home. We're going to the hospital. Thanks Tyler, thanks 4 Horsemen for that experience. It was a lot of fun. Baby B, we're coming to bust you out of that hospital, baby. Here we come.